Are you tired of a messy Gmail inbox with no way to group emails? Learn how to create sublabels in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you where to find the label settings, then how to add a sublabel with just a few clicks. First, go ahead and navigate to your Gmail homepage. Then, on the left sidebar, locate the Labels section. Now, hover your mouse over the label you want to add a sublabel to and click the 3 dots that appear next to it. From the drop-down menu, select Add Sublabel. In the dialog that opens, enter a name for your sublabel, for example, Old Email. Finally, click Create to finish. And that's it. You've added a sublabel. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.